Hello there, just moving on to the next drawing here now, our Hyundai car logo. So it's on page 106, it's question 3, and the sizes of the ellipse is very similar to the size of the ellipse of our previous question of the Kia logo. So just a quick glance at what we're actually trying to draw here. So our ellipse, major axis of 140, minor axis of 70. So when you're drawing your auxiliary circles, major auxiliary circle radius 70, minor radius 35. So I've gone ahead, I've drawn this already using our concentric circles method. If you need to look over that, it's shown in the Kia Motors video part 1. So have a look there if you're unsure about that method. So I'm just going to fly on here now and start to draw in some of these lines here. So first thing I'm going to do is just going to step outside of 40 millimeters either side. So what we end up doing here is we end up drawing these lines that are parallel to each other. Okay, next step I suppose is to draw in the circles. So the circles are of diameter 30, so radius 15, and they'll start down here. So I'm just going to step up 15 millimeters, which I've already filled in here. I grab my compass. Okay, so we have a few more things to fill in here, and so first things first is we have to go off at an angle of 60 degrees here, a line where it touches the circle. Then they'd like you to draw a line growing back down here. It's going to be at 90 degrees to this radius here that we're after drawing. So you can go ahead and draw that. You can use your set square. I suppose a nice quick easy way of drawing this in here. So there you go. We'll go over this heavy in a moment. Similarly with the top one. If you wish, you could use your protractor for this one either. Just another option for you guys there. Alright, so we'll just go over all that in heavy. Probably best to use your compass here rather than freehand, but if you can lean a little bit heavier with your compass just to finish this off, it should be more accurate than trying to do it freehand. Okay, so I suppose going over this question and looking back on it, I suppose there are the few little kind of trickier things. I suppose you need to keep an eye out, and just keep an eye out on the drawing for this point here. That's quite important, because it needs to pass through here 60 degrees. So just going back and look at the question here, you can see all the dimensions here on your textbook. So that point there where it intersects the major axis there, measuring out 40 millimeters out from your center point here, using 60 degrees here because it says it here in the question. Also, I started off here to get this point here of intersection. You're using 60 degree set square where it strikes the circumference, and you're going at 90 degrees there. That symbol is 90 degrees, so you could use your set square like I did for one example, and I use my protractor for the second one there. Either way, it doesn't really matter. So that's that question there. So go ahead, give it a try and see how you get on.